Hello again. Last time, we learned about the history of autonomous driving technology. Today, let's explore what current self-driving cars are capable of, including the actual technologies and some real-life examples. Did you know that autonomous vehicles are categorized into levels? Level 0 is not automatic at all, and Level 5 is fully autonomous. What level do you think the cars in your city are? Cars at Level 1 and Level 2 can control braking or steering automatically to some extent. As you get to Level 3 and beyond, cars can perform more complex functions automatically. Can you think of situations where this would be useful? Have you ever heard of automatic parking? The car finds a parking space and parks itself. When do you think this could come in handy? On highways, the car can automatically adjust its speed and the lane it's in. Don't you think that would make long drives a bit easier? Even big trucks can drive themselves now. Can you imagine how this could change the transportation industry? Can you picture little robots running around the streets delivering pizzas or packages? Also, if there were autonomous taxis, what advantages do you think they would offer? Today, we saw how autonomous vehicles are currently being used. Next time, we'll think about the future of this technology. I'm really excited to explore what possibilities lie ahead. See you in the next episode. Thank you.